Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a ghost detector at home using simple, everyday items. This fun and easy do-it-yourself project will help you explore the fascinating world of electromagnetic fields. You don't need any advanced technical skills, just a few common components and a little patience. We'll guide you through each step, from gathering your materials to testing your finished device, making it a perfect activity for anyone curious about the unseen. Get ready to build your very own paranormal investigation tool. To begin your ghost detector project, you'll need to gather a few essential items. First, find an old analog AM/FM radio. A small, portable one works best. You'll also need a piece of wire, about 6 inches long, to serve as your new antenna. A small speaker, a 9-volt battery, and a battery clip are also crucial. Finally, ensure you have a soldering iron, some solder, and electrical tape for the assembly process. These common items are usually easy to find around the house or at a local electronics store. Now, let's assemble your ghost detector. Carefully open the casing of your radio to expose its internal circuit board. Locate the existing internal antenna and gently desolder it from its connection points. Next, solder your new 6-inch wire antenna securely in place where the old one was. Then, connect your small speaker to the radio's audio output using solder. Finally, attach the 9-volt battery to the radio's power input with the battery clip, ensuring a stable power supply for your device. Take your time with each connection. With your ghost detector assembled, it's time to test it out. Turn on your modified radio and tune it to an empty frequency, where you only hear static. As you move around different areas of your home, listen carefully for any changes in the static or unusual sounds. These fluctuations might indicate variations in electromagnetic fields. Remember, this device is designed to detect these fields, not actual spirits. It's a fun way to explore your environment and understand the invisible energies around us. Enjoy your new detector.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.